wants to come get in Mommy's lap? How many little babies have to beg? You gotta beg me. What you want, Jetta? Jetta? Tell Mommy you want to get in her lap. Oh, I guess Belly's gonna push you over. To say it again. You want to get in my lap? Jetta? Jetta? You want to get in my lap? Come on, Jackie. Talk to me. Oh, no. We got another new face now who thinks she needs to get into my lap. Oh, Diamond. Oh, Diamond. And Kiki. Kiki wants to get into my lap. What is it, Jetta? Jetta? Talk to me, Jetta. Show them how you say, pick me up. What is it, Jackie? Oh, it's it. You tell me. You demand yourself. You want me to pick you up? Is that what you want? You want a disaster. You need a bath. Layla. Layla. Oh. What is it, Jetta? Tell me you want... Oh, there goes Bella. There, you bad. You the big stinky butt. Oh, Kiku. Oh, my goodness. I think Diamond's a loudmouth. Really? Really? Oh, my goodness, you're loud. Okay, well, we're going to say goodbye for now because nobody can hear over Diamond's big mouth.